Google Maps will be using AI to help you find out of the way EV chargers so that your Tesla doesn't run out of energy or any of your electric cars. I don't know. I've had a Tesla for, I don't know, 3 years, and we've never really had a big problem, but it's always good to have a backup, right? If whatever system in your car fails you, doesn't find the chargers, it's good that Google's making one built in. And of course, it has AI. Liam, you have a Tesla, right?
Yes.
All right. What do you think about the whole charger game, trying to find
It's
chargers?
not terrible where I live, at least. You can find them quite consistently. It's not really a huge hassle like it used to be.
Yeah, the infrastructure has gotten a lot better, obviously, over the years. When Teslas first came out with the original Tesla Roadster, obviously there's a lot of issues back then, but now there's so many third party too. If you run out of, say, it's a Tesla chargers. So yeah, it's getting a lot better, but always good to have an extra tool in your back pocket.